Kathleen, it is the Fed, it is the BOJ. Let's start with the BOJ. The dovish tone continues.
Oh, boy, does it ever. What we're waiting for is Governor Kuroda, and it may never happen before his term ends in March 2023, to look at the rising inflation and the weakening yen and just give us even a little wiggle room. And, widen the band for yield curve control. Do something, but not a lick of that. The BOJ is noting that inflation pressures are expected to rise. Inflation expectations have risen. So far, the increases are due to energy, food, and durable goods. They are also, I think it's interesting that they go out of their way to say that their uncertainty for the economy is extremely high. That's probably why they are going to end their COVID funding in stages. They're going to, right now, they are going to extend funding for the by 3 months for some parts of it. So it's a lot of specifics. Nothing that it indicates that they're ready to be pushed into anything by the yen. Although they are watching this closely and saying they have to keep an eye on what a foreign exchange means, what the exchange rate means for the economy and for prices. They're not saying anything about the yen getting weaker. That will happen at the press conference in a few hours when dozens of reporters in Tokyo are going to ask Governor Kuroda all kinds of questions about that. We'll just have to wait to see if they get anything out of him.
And of course, we had the BOJ downgrading its view on the global economy, and that may just play out.
Well, that's a good point because we know that the Fed has said a recession is possibly, if not probably, the price we're going to pay for getting inflation down. And if the U.S. slows down, that's potentially going to reverberate around the world. And we know that China is still in slowdown mode. So downgrading their assessment of the global economy is very important. And they're a very export-heavy country. So the slowdown in Europe, China, and if the U.S. is slowing down too, I guess that's why one of the reasons why he's saying uncertainty for the economy right now is extremely high.